बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप देख रहे हैं राशिद मदनी यूट्यूब चैनल। प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, लाइक कीजिएगा और शेयर कीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ATM स्टैंड फॉर? आंसर इज ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन। Question number 2. The Olympic Games are held after every? Answer is 4 years. The Olympic Games are held after every 4 years. Question number 3. Who is the founder of social media network Facebook? Answer is Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 4. What is meant by petticoat government? Answer is a government run by a woman. Question number 5. The second largest religion of the world is? Answer is Islam. The second largest religion, Islam. Nelson Mandela was the president of? Answer is South Africa. Question number 7. CNG is an abbreviation of? Answer is compressed natural gas. Question number 8. Sri Lanka was formerly known as? Answer is Ceylon. Question number 9. People of which country are known as Kiwis? Answer is New Zealand. Question number 10. Baku is the capital city of? Answer is Azerbaijan. Mossad is the secret intelligence agency of? Answer is Israel. Question number 12. Which among the following character is referred as the Don? Answer is Donald Bradman. Question number 13. Scotland Yard is a police department of? Answer is United Kingdom. Question number 14. Dolly was the name of the? Answer is first cloned sheep kingdom. Onyx is a kind of? The right answer is marble. Question number 16. The chemical name of the common salt is? Answer is sodium chloride. Question number 17. Ozone layer protects life on Earth from? Answer is ultraviolet rays. Question number 18. Sunlight falling on our skin causes to produce? The right answer is vitamin D. Question 19. Capital punishment means? Answer is death sentence. Question number 20. Hematology is the study of? Answer is blood. Question number 21. Which of the following is not a primary color? Answer is orange. Orange is not a primary color. Question number 22. Which component of the diet prevent constipation? Answer is fiber. Question number 23. Which of the following sports is associated with Davis Cup? Answer is tennis. Question number 24. Synagogue is the place of the worship of which religion? Answer is Judaism. Question number 25. Where was the Albert Einstein born? Answer is Germany. Question number 26. The Eiffel Tower is located in? The right answer is France. Question number 27. Napoleon Bonaparte was the king of? Answer is France. Question number 28. Bayman is the name of airline of? Answer is Bangladesh. Question number 29. Who was the first Asian to have received the Nobel Prize? Answer is R.N. Tagore. Question number 30. The highest capital in the world is? Answer is La Paz. Riksdag is the parliament of? Answer is Sweden. Question number 32. First president of USA? Answer is George Washington. Question number 33. Niagara Falls are situated in? Answer is USA and Canada. Question number 34. Which is the deepest ocean in the world? Answer is Pacific. Question number 35. Which country flag is known as Union Jack? Answer is UK. Question number 36. Birr is the currency of? Answer is Ethiopia. Question number 37. What does word geo means? Answer is earth. Question number 38. What is meant by the term fourth estate? Answer is press. Question number 39. Waterloo is located in? Answer is Belgium. Question number 40. Xenophobia is a fear of? Answer is strangers. Question number 41. Pisa Tower is located in? Answer is Italy. Headquarters of ILO is located in? Answer is Geneva. Question number 43. Land of maple leaf is? Answer is Canada. Question number 44. Land of rising sun is? Answer is Japan. Question number 45. Durand line is a boundary line between? Right answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Question number 46. The earth moves from? Answer is west to east. Question number 47. Seismology is the study of? Answer is earthquakes. Question number 48. Velocity of sound is maximum in? Answer is steel. Question number 49. The headquarters of WTO is in? Answer is Geneva. Question number 50. Which continent has no desert? Which continent has no desert? Answer is Europe.